Hi, today I wanted to talk about a new way for people who want to make their own Russian PVC pyramid to be able to do it out of furniture grade PVC. You know, by way of background, we upgraded to furniture grade PVC earlier this year for all of our custom-made kits because of the improved durability, the improved strength, and also the improved beauty of the furniture grade PVC pipe. And a number of you have been asking whether those who might want to do it themselves could possibly do the same thing. And I have been doing research on this for the last 3 or 4 weeks, and I am happy to report that the company that I buy furniture grade PVC pipe from is willing to put together kits and send them to you with the appropriate amount of pipe and internal couplings that you're going to need to put these together. So I'm going to go over that briefly with you today. And as you see now on the screen, I've put up ordering and piece size requirements for each of the pyramids that I currently offer in kit form, and those include the 5, 6, 7, and 10 foot models, as well as a 3 and 6 foot combination, a 4 and 7 foot combination, and a 5 and 8 foot combination pyramid. And to review again, those pyramids that are combination pyramids, that doesn't mean you get 2 different sets of connectors, but what it does mean is that we're going to be cutting the pipe in such a way that if you just use one horizontal and one vertical piece of pipe for each of the 4 base and vertical pieces, you can get the smaller version of the pyramid, but when you combine that with the extension for both the horizontal and vertical pieces, you can make the larger pyramid size as well. So it's a very attractive option. So as you're looking at the page, you'll see the company that I use is C&S Plastics. I put their phone number down on the page. They're 800-476-0823. They're real nice people out of Winter Haven, Florida, and they'll be willing to help you. The only things that you're going to need to really know are all listed on this page. So the first thing, if you're going to be a do-it-yourselfer, you want to figure out which size pyramid or combination pyramid you're interested in making. But once you've made that decision, I've written down for you not only the size of each base and vertical piece that you're going to need to cut, but also the number of them in the parentheses to the left. So if we take, for example, the 6 foot pyramid, the base piece is going to be 31.64 inches, and you're going to need 4 of those. And for the vertical pieces, you're going to need 8 pieces at 33.64 inches in order to accomplish that. And then moving across the page, you'll see the number of 3/4 inch internal couplings that you're going to need to order from C&S Plastics, listed in the next column. For all of the traditional kits, you'll need 4 couplings, and then for the combination pyramid, you're going to need 8 couplings for those pyramid combinations. And then the next column, the number of 5 feet furniture grade 3/4 inch PVC pipes needed. The way that this is going to work, and the most economical way for you to do it, is to purchase the pipe in 5 foot lengths from C&S. That means that they can ship them economically, just as I ship with the pipe with the couplers cut to a smaller dimension. If you were to try to get this shipped in 10 foot lengths, it would be essentially cost prohibitive, and that's the reason why you want to order your furniture grade 3/4 inch PVC in 5 foot lengths. And they're happy to do that for you. There's a small cutting charge. They normally ship in 10 foot lengths, but very small. I think it's 25 cents a pipe or something. So it's very inexpensive, and I've kind of figured that into the total shipping cost, or total estimated cost for purchasing, the rest of the stuff that you need to make your own. Finally, in that last column, estimated cost, including U.S. shipping. This estimate includes about $30 worth of shipping, and this is from Florida. That $30 covered shipping, or would have covered shipping on the estimate that I got from them to my home in central Pennsylvania. So I've added a little bit of additional fee on there to try to estimate a national average. If you're on the West Coast, you're going to find that I'm sure that your costs are going to be a little bit higher for shipping. But again, the costs here assume about $30 in shipping. Yours will vary depending on where you live. But you can see there's some interesting things that come about here. You can, for example, on the 6-foot pyramid, you see that it's going to cost you, if you make it the way I ship them, which is with equally sized vertical pieces, you're actually going to need more furniture grade PVC pipe than you would if you made the same 6-foot pyramid as a combination pyramid. And that really has to do with the wastage that does come about as a result of buying this and having it shipped in 5-foot lengths. So if you want a 6 or a 7-foot pyramid, and you don't mind there's a little extra confusion because now you have 4 different sizes of pipe rather than 2. But if you don't mind kind of dealing with that, you can save a few bucks by actually making your 6 or 7-foot pyramid as a combination pyramid, because as it turns out, cutting them in that fashion actually allows you to be a little bit more efficient on the amount of pipe that you use. But I've also given you cutting tips for the combinations, how to cut them, because if you cut them the way I'm suggesting, for example, let's look at the 3 and 6-foot combination. You'll see that my cutting tip says cut one 13.82 and one 37.89 piece from one 5-foot length. So what that does is it really minimizes, and then do the same thing with a 17.57 and 29.39. So in other words, you can, if you do it that way, you can minimize the amount of wastage, and rather than needing 12 pieces of pipe, you actually only need 8. So you do save some bucks there, not a lot, but about $20 if you don't mind going through the kind of the extra steps of cutting for and kind of remembering which pieces come together. In the kits that I sell, I mark the pipe yellow, red, green, blue, and give you a little bit of a guide there to help you to remember which pipes are verticals and which ones are horizontal. So you will have to deal with that if you decide to do it yourself. But as you can see, you can save yourself some money and still get the same quality as you get in terms of the furniture grade PVC pipe, were you to order it from me as a full kit. The savings will range, roughly from $75 to maybe $100 on a full kit if you decide to do it yourself, and certainly that's an option if you're interested in saving a few bucks. But as always, we provide the full kits. Or if you want to save even more money, you can always go use the directions that are still on the website for going out and buying 10-foot lengths of plumbing grade pipe from Lowe's or Home Depot. Hope this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call us, 412-474-3481, or contact us via email at onlypvcpyramids@yahoo.com. Have a great day.